Good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. Welcome to Traedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related contents and much more. Jenna, Queen, Tariq, I see y'all in the building. Thunder, I see y'all in the building, man. Thank y'all so much for joining me, man. Again, I still been contemplating on the put side, guys, due to the talks of the tariffs, man, and everything. But then, like I said, I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled to see where we go from here. Yesterday, I did call out around 582.65. Kept my eyes peeled on that key level to see where we're gonna go from here. But let's go ahead and take a dive into our conference room, guys. Let's go over our SPY recaps, economic calendars, and earnings to see what the market has to offer us today. ADP already came out. We had a little bit of a pullback today after the ADP employment came out. I do have the links and everything posted on the chats and in my my Patreon. So other than that, guys, let's get ready to rock and roll and see what the market has to offer us. You already know what time it is. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's go over our SPY recaps from yesterday. We had an opening on SPY at 579.71, a high of 585.39, a low of 572.25, a close of 576.86 with a volume of 109.1 million in volume. Let's go ahead and go over our earnings. Like I said, we don't have anything really major, just a few little retail companies here and there, but with no major blue chip company as of yet. But I will let you guys know when those major companies will come out as far as Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia. We did have a few releases that already came out. Those are out of the way, but once they come back around the corner, I will let you guys know. Let's go ahead and go into our economics. As far as today, guys, we did have the ADP non-farm employment change that came out at 8:15. Later on, we do have S&P Global Services PMI that's going to be at 9:45. We're going to have the ISM non-manufacturing PMI and prices that's going to be at 10 o'clock. And last but not least, we're going to have the crude oil inventories at 10:30. So from 9:45, 10 o'clock, 10:30, we will be having some economic calendars coming out. So let's go ahead and take a dive into our charts, guys, and let's see on how we're going to set up for the day and get ready to rock and roll from there. Y'all know what time it is. Let's go. All right, guys, we're here, man. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Kato J, I see you in the building. Thank you so much for joining me, man. Like I said, we'll see what the market has to offer us. As of now, like I said, I was looking at that right here, guys, 582.65. I called out yesterday. We did get a little pop above the upside towards the 584 to almost close to that 586, but we came right back underneath that 582.65 level. That's the level I was screaming out yesterday that we needed to hold above if we wanted to see some more potential upside. We then fell from that level, pulled back. Right now we underneath that 577.92 level. That's going to be the next level right underneath that. We continuously pull back, guys. We will possibly see that down to 575 to even down to that 570. So keep your eyes peeled because right now we are still set up in somewhat of a downtrend setup, guys. Again, you got to understand that the fear of the market is still taking place due to the talks of the tariffs with the impositions on Canada, Mexico, and China. So those are still taking place. Still a little fear in the market, still getting a little bit of a pullback, still a little bit bearish. So I still have my mindset on puts at this moment. I still think the market is not yet due for a correction just yet. You know, but if buyers do step up, we have to get back above the price points of 577.92. We have to get back above the price points of 582.65 and so forth. Right now, we're underneath those crucial price points that will lead to possible more downside towards that 570 level. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on that. Right now, we are fighting right underneath that 577.92, where we are getting rejected as old key level here. If those bears come in aggressive, guys, that can yank us right back down to 575, down to that 573 towards those bottoms from yesterday, even down towards that 570 level that we talked about. I still got my alert set for 570, guys, still. Right now, look like we're on this uptrend, downtrend setup where it looked like we could possibly soon see that 570 level in due time. So we don't get back above these key levels, we can continue on down towards the downside where we will sooner or later, we'll see that 570 level. So keep that on watch. So right now I'm still on the bearish side of things. I'm still on the put side of things. So I still will have my my mindset for puts. Indicators have crossed over back down to the downside once again, where we have the 9 MA at the bottom, 20 in the middle, and that 50 at the top, where that 50 will act as resistance, and it is lined up around that 580 level. So right now it does still look a little bearish. I do see some higher low bills coming in, where we are falling lower and lower. So I'm definitely gonna stay on the put side of things until we do get that actual correction and we move back up towards the upside. But I still think in due time we will possibly see that 570 level. I think so. I think we will still see 570 sooner or later. But don't forget, guys, we do have data coming out today. We do have Again, we have the ISM manufacturing coming out, guys. And again, we have data coming out at 9:45, 10 o'clock, and 10:30. So what do you, I'm gonna ask you guys this: what are you guys' game plans? Are y'all going long? Y'all going short? Y'all still looking for bounce opportunities? Like, what do you guys' mindset is? Like, what are your game plans are? Again, I'm still going short. I'm still, again, to me, the market is still bearish. To me, I still think we're pulling back down. Like I said, look like we have as low as back down towards that 570. I'm just be honest with you. To me, 570 down to that 563 level. I'm gonna just be honest with you guys. I still think we got room to still fade on down. So I'm gonna just be honest. I still think we have room to possibly fall back down to that 570 to even down to 563. So I'm gonna still stay on the put side. I'm gonna anticipate a little bounce back up into some resistance for a pull back down. So I'm gonna keep it on watch. I mean, we may start pulling back immediately, or we may get a little bounce back up, hold up momentarily, and start to pull back down. But I still think some more downside is coming. I'm gonna just be honest with you. I think we'll fall right back into this old trend line, this old downtrend setup, where we'll fall back underneath this trend line and start to continue on down inside of this descending wedge. So I just think so at this moment, because to me, I still think there's a lot of fear in the market. Right now, like I said, as far as Tesla, we're still downtrending. We're underneath the 275 level. Let's see. Right now, I mean, to me, it's just still fear. I'm just going to be honest. I mean, to me, it's just still fear in the market. Insider, what you got, boss? What you thinking, man? Right now, we back underneath that, what it was, that 171.80 level on Google. I mean, look like we starting to dip slow on that one, too. I mean, there's still a lot of weakness. I mean, to me, the market is still looking a little bearish. I'm just going to be honest. I mean, we still might have a bearish week this week. I mean, Nvidia still on a downtrend underneath that 120 level. Look like this bad boy is still setting up for possible movement back down towards the downside. We are back underneath that 120 level. We tried to test it, but got rejected and came right back down with room to fall possibly back down to 115. So, I mean, right now, just to me, it's just still, everything's still bearish, man. See how this thing, see what I mean? Look, doing it again. With that freezing crap. That's what happened yesterday when I jumped out of my position and started freezing again. See, look at this. Look, it's part. See, same thing happened yesterday to me. It's like this thing is moving just mega slow right now, man. I don't know what the hell. I don't know if this thing is just overcapacitated. I don't know what is going on. That's what happened to me last time when I jumped in my play. I had to wait like damn near 30 seconds for them to take my order. The whole thing freezed on me. And I'm going to set an alert at 120. So I'm going to set 2 alerts on Nvidia. I'm going to set 2 alerts, guys. A possible breakout and a possible crack. So I'm going to set up 2 alerts on both sides of the fence, guys, for my Nvidia traders. So I'm going to have one set at 120 if we so happen to push, and I'm going to have one set at 115 if we so happen to crack. So I got that bad boy set. So right now, SPY still looking weak. We still looking like we making some. I mean, to me, it look like it want to. I mean, I know it's far-fetched, but it looked like it wants to make a big cup. I'm just gonna be honest. It look like it wants to make a big inverted cup right now. I mean, the bottoms are all the way back down towards 573. I mean, we close that cup out. That's going to be your cup. And then we could bounce from there and make a handle and then pull back even lower. So it looked like it wants to make an inverted cup and handle pattern. I'm just going to be honest with you. I mean, right here could be, I mean, you can look at it from 2 standpoints. I mean, you can look at it from that 576 level where you can see a possible inverted cup and handle right here where you already got the cup. Look like we could be working on the handle for the push back up to 577.92 where we can reverse back down. You got that possible cup and handle pattern. Look like you had one right here. So it look like it's making nothing but inverted cup and handle patterns back down. So, I mean, it looked like you had one right here doing pre-market, and then it looked like you may have one set up doing intraday right around here, around 576, like almost like a little inverted cup and handle pattern. And then we have one even lower down here to close out the cup completely, right at 573. Where it looked like it can make one big old dome-like pattern right here. So I'm going to definitely keep that on watch. So, I mean, to me, it's just still pointing bearish. It's still pointing toward the downside. Let me see. We got about 60 minutes left. So, I mean, I can show y'all, for example. Let me look right here, guys. I mean, right here. I mean, you can take it from, let me see. I mean, you have almost like one little cup and handle pattern almost set up right here. I mean, it's like a little mini cup and handle pattern. Then you fell down to here. That looked like one inverted already. And then you have another one that could set itself up, possibly, at that 576 level, where you can make another little inverted cup and handle, where you bounce back up towards that 577.92, get rejected and come back down. Then you got that one. And then look like a third one, a third inverted cup and handle, where it looked like it come all the way down to that 573 level, right here, that'll close out that cup completely. where you can come all the way back down here, possibly move back on up towards the upside between 576, 577, and then pull back down again, aiming towards that 570 level. I mean, that's what it looked like. I mean, it just looked like a big inverted cup and handle pattern setting itself up, you know. So I'm definitely keep this on watch. I mean, this may be one right here as the market is about to open. I mean, that could be one where you get rejected at that 577.92, completing that handle, where we could possibly crack that 576 back down to 575 to 574, where we could close out that cup completely all the way back down. So if we look at it from this channel standpoint, we underneath the pivot. So right now we're underneath the pivot of 577.92. So you can clearly see that we're not holding the top portion of that channel. Now we're at the bottom portion of the channel, underneath the pivot point of 577.92, where we could pull back down towards these bottoms, all the way down towards this possible 573 level. So right now we're at the bottom portion of the channel, cracking underneath the pivot point. So, but it does look like somewhat of an inverted cup and handle already starting off to begin with, right under. Again, if we get stuff underneath that 577.92, I mean, that could be the handle where we could pull back down towards this level here. So, I mean, it looked like that's what it want to do. It looked like that's what it's preparing to do as the bell is about to ring. So, it looked like as long as we stay underneath that 577.92, they could start to yank immediately down toward the 576, 575, even down towards that 573, back down to them bottoms from yesterday. So, that's what it looked like. But I'm going to keep it on watch to see. But I'm still going to be bearish. I mean, the market to me is still bearish. It's still bearish. I mean, still, you know, the toss of the tariffs that's adding fear into the market. Now we down to what an 18 on the fear and greed right now. So I mean, to me, it's still a lot of fear. So I'm definitely gonna keep this on watch. So we do crack that trend line, you know, basically close out that possible inverted cup and handle. That'll put us right back underneath this trend line here, where we'll fall back into this downtrend channel and inside of this somewhat of this descending wedge right here. So, I mean, it looked like we slowly cracking and want to fall right back underneath this trend line. And that'll put us down there underneath that 576 level. But it does look like an inverted cup and handle wants to start off already early in the morning, where we could start to pull back immediately right underneath 577.92, like this way. That's what it looked like it want to do. So I'm going to keep it on watch to see. We got about 3 minutes left, guys. So right now, it's still trying to hold on top of the trend line. Still trying to fight. Look like buyers are trying to get back up towards that 577.92. But you can clearly see it's almost looking like an inverted cup and handle pattern. So what I'm going to do as of now, I'm going to try to get everything ready. I'm trying to figure out if I want to use, let's see what I want to use today. If I want to use today's contract or tomorrow's contract. Let me look at them real quick because I still got. Let me see what strike. I'm gonna go for the strike price of 570 still. Let me see where we at though. Looks like it came down a little bit, so I'm gonna utilize that one. I'm gonna put that in my watch list. I think I should still have it though. Got about 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. So let me go ahead and put my little chat box back up. I apologize. I hate when this thing does this, man. It's annoying. I hate when it does this. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, guys, so definitely keeping this on watch to see where we go. But look like we want to start with an early morning pullback. I mean, that's the way it looked like it's setting up, to start up with an early morning pullback. You know, off of this possible inverted cup and handle pattern right underneath that 577.92 for a possible crack at that 576 back down this way. That's what it looked like. It wants to come right back down to these bottoms of 573. So I'm trying to hurry up and set up as quick as I can to see, you know, where we're gonna go from here. So I'm gonna set up 2 of my contracts. I think I should have this one already set up, and I'm gonna set up one for today. Today's the 5th, right? Yeah, today's the 5th. So I'm gonna set up one for today and tomorrow. Same strike price. Guys, we got about 40 seconds, so I'm gonna try to set this up as quick as I can, and I'm gonna set up one for today as well. So let me see how this one looking for today. So I'm gonna try to use this one for today too. Still strike price of 570. Yeah, I think I just talked about Google not too long ago. I think we had fell back underneath that whatchamacallit. What we got left? We got about 15 seconds left, guys. 15 seconds left. I'm gonna go to Google. So yeah, right now, look right here, Kato. See that? Look at that curl. See that curl right underneath that 171? Look like we're curling back down. So guys, we got about 5 seconds left in a matter of 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. Let's see if that inverted cup and handle is going to start off immediately right underneath that 576 level. Let's see, because it looked like an inverted cup and handle could be setting up early. Let me see. So I'm keeping this on watch. right here, this 576 level, but it does give me somewhat of an inverted cup and handle pattern feel, where it looked like we already hit the 577.92 level. Look like it's trying to go back to retest, but look like we could pull back down. So I'm gonna try to look like we popped up already. Let me see. I was trying to see if we go for another retest of that 577 level. Okay, I want my contracts to pull back lower again. I'm trying to see, can we get a little pop back up real quick? I want to see. I'm trying to get as low as I can on this bad boy. I'm trying to see what these lows at on this contract at. I want to get in as low as I possibly can. Yeah, okay, here we go. So I want to see a little pop back up. But I'm trying to see exactly where this look like around look like 80 cents ish. I'm gonna try to go for. Let me see what I can do. So right now we are still trying to push back up. That look like there may be a little handle about to form, because they look like an inverted cup and handle right here. So I'm gonna try to see if we're gonna stay underneath that 577.92 level. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on that. And don't forget, guys, we do have data coming out. Let me check it out, Insider. And that's on Google, boss. That's Google. So right now, right here, you can see it right across the board, Insider, right here, look. 571.80. So you can see right here, we ran up, we came right back underneath. So it looked like it said, look at that indicator. Look at that 50 SMA. It's right above your head, almost acting like a 200-day moving average. So look at that right here, boss. Yeah, but look like it could make a cup and handle pattern. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled at that 577.92. That's your pivot point. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled at that pivot point to see where we go from here. Because right now we are still trying to push back up, but the lower I go, the better for me on my contracts. Because I want to get in as cheap as possible, man. If I can, let me see. Because I'm trying to see. God dog it. Let me see. Damn it. If we start pulling back, I missed it. I was trying to get in as low as I could. Let me see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. Because right now, this is your pivot point right here. That's your pivot point. These are bottoms around 573. Tops around 582. So right now, I'm still keeping this on watch. Man. I was trying to catch some bottoms. God dog it. Let me see. I'm gonna keep it on watch to see where we go. Because it looked like an inverted cup and handle pattern. It looked like it want to pull back this way. I was trying to catch it. It didn't pull back. Let me see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. Because I know the market just started. I know it just started. All right, here we go. Because gotta keep in mind, we got room to push up to that 20 EMA. We got room to push up to the 20 EMA if we do get a little push. Because therefore you get a little feel up towards that area. But you gotta understand that SMA is sitting right at 580. That's gonna act as a 200-day moving average. So I want to see, because right now you're underneath the 9 EMA. That's gonna hold up as resistance alone by itself. That's gonna hold up as resistance. Because you gotta remember, your indicators crossed over toward the downside. Damn it, I think I missed it. I tried to set. Let me see. How low did we go on this contract? 94. Uh, 79.80. Then down. I mean, like I said, look at the overall channel. Insider, look right here. I got the overall channel set up. Look right here. Look, tops. That 582.65 we talked about yesterday. Bottoms from yesterday's 573. Mid area 577.92. And look where we at. Right back underneath. Look like it's making an inverted cup and handle pattern. What I talked about, I said it looked like it wants to make an inverted cup and handle pattern where it may crack 576 back down towards these lows. So I'm keeping it on watch right now. Because right now it's like you're ping-ponging back and forth between 576 and then 577.92. So right now you're just ping-ponging back and forth. You're ping-ponging. You're just ping-ponging back and forth. But look at your indicators. Your indicators have crossed over toward the downside. Your 50 SMA has moved up to the top once again. That's going to hold up at strong resistance along with that 580 level. So you do have your 9 EMA move back on down. You got your 20 EMA. So look like your indicators are pointing down. You notice that? So I'm keeping it on watch, and I'm gonna give it 15 minutes. Because I know we got some data coming out at 9:45. We got the God dang it, what's coming out? I think it was the ISM. Let me move it over a little bit. Let me move it over this way. What's coming out? Let me use my excuse me. I know we got some more data coming out at 9:45. That is let me go to my I'm gonna just keep it on watch. So 9:45 today is Wednesday, right? Today Wednesday. 9:45. Yeah, okay. So PMI. So we got the PMI data coming out at 9:45. Following the factory orders and ISM at 10 o'clock. So we're gonna have data coming out at 9:45. We're gonna have some data coming out at 10, and then we're gonna have the crude oil inventories coming out at 10:30. So you're gonna have data coming out at 9:45, 10 o'clock, and last but not least, we're gonna have crude oil inventories at 10:30. So I'm gonna keep it on watch and see where we go. But right now, those indicators still point bearish. I'm still going. I mean, I'm still thinking it's bearish. I mean, to me, I'm still not going for. I'm still on the bearish side. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Yeah, we're gonna pop back up, but I'm gonna give it time. That means the lower my contract's gonna get, the better. Cool. Let it do what it do. Let it go to some resistant areas, because you got to keep in mind what we got rejected at in the area that we couldn't hold that we talked about yesterday, which was 582.65. You see that? Tried to run up to it this morning for pre-market and came right back on down. And like I said, now we done went from the 580s back down to the 570s. So right now, I'm just letting it push, do what it do right now. And like I said, the lower the better for me. I'll take that. I'll let it pull back as low as it can. Let it pull back as low as it can. I would take that. Cheaper for the contracts on me. So are you trying to get in on SPY? Yeah, Queen, I'm going to go for a put. So I'm going to wait for it to go up, because I got to keep in mind we got data coming out. We got like 3 things of data's coming out. We got the PMI data coming out at 9:45. Then we got the SMI data coming out at 10 o'clock. And then we got the crude oil inventories coming out at 10:30. So I am going in for a possible put. Right now, we are still getting rejected underneath that 577.92. Damn, did it catch my orders? It missed it. Man, it's moving so quick, it missed my... Because right now, like I said, look at the indicators. All the indicators still pointing down. So right now, it's like a inverted cup and handle pattern. Man, dang it missed my order. God, dog it. I'm trying to go in like as low as I can. I'm trying to, because I know right now it's still early. I was trying to catch these tops, man. God, dog. Because it's moving so quick. It's moving so fast right now. What are these lows at? See the low? Damn, I think I went too low. Damn it, I think I went too low. That's why I didn't catch it. I think I had like 75 cents. I think the lowest we went was like 80, 85. Damn it, so let me see. Because I got like 75 on this bad boy. Damn. I'm keeping on watch. Let me see. I was trying to go for a quick scalp. I was trying to scalp as quick as I could, but then I think I had my entry set too low. Crap. Because I think the lowest we went on my contract is 85. I had it set for 75. So I ain't gonna lie, I was 10 cents off. And then it shot back up. So I'm still watching this key level, guys. I'm still watching that 577.92. And like I said, still watching my 9 EMA. 20 EMA. Like I said, can we push up to the 20 EMA? Yeah. We can push up to the 20 EMA. That's what I was trying to aim for. I thought I was going to push up to here, but we still got rejected underneath that 577.92. Trump is pumping up the market. I don't give a shit what Trump doing. It's going to drop. I understand what you're saying, Tariq, but to me, it's going to pump and dump. It's pump and dump, man. I mean, I can clearly see an inverted head and shoulders right here. I can clearly see this. I mean, not in shoulders, cup and handle pattern. I can clearly see an inverted cup and handle pattern right in my face for a possible crack at that 576 on down to that 574, possibly back down to these lows. That'll make a bigger inverted cup and handle pattern back down to this level. So I still think it's an inverted cup and handle. I'm still going for shorts. You know, with the tariff and all of that, the fear in the market, it's nothing but bull traps getting set up. It's bull traps. I'm still staying on puts. I don't care what Trump say. I don't give a damn. You can pump it up all you want to. I'm still staying on the put side. Bump all that crap. I'm sticking to my game plan. My game plan is puts. I'm still sticking to puts. It is what it is. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. You know, if I'm right, I'll bank on it. Damn it. Damn, they missed my order. God, dog, it missed my orders. Because I can see the inverted cup and handle pattern right here. You can clearly see it. The inverted cup and handle pattern right here. I'm looking right at it. I think I set my order too damn low though, man. God, I messed it up. But what time it is? I know we got about 6 minutes until that data comes out. Let me see if we're gonna get a quick little pump. Let me see if that data can give us a quick little pump, within 6 minutes. Let me see. I'm gonna see if that is gonna push us up to some more tough resistant areas. So I'm gonna give it some time. Cause I was trying to scalp. I was trying to go for a quick scalp just now, but I had my entry set too damn low. But I see an inverted cup and handle pattern like right in my face. I literally see it right there. So I'm gonna let it do what it do. I'm gonna wait till 9:45 to see if we're gonna get a quick little pump up, because your inverted, like I said, your indicators are literally crossed over toward the downside. I mean, your 9 EMA is back at the bottom. You got the 20 EMA in the middle as always, and then you got the 50 SMA right at 580. You got it right at 580, and I mean it's making like a somewhat of an inverted cup and handle pattern. So I'm gonna just keep it on watch to see if what type of impact it's gonna have off this data that's coming out in about almost 5 minutes. So I mean, let me see if I can go for a quick pump. I'm gonna keep it on watch. But I mean, to me, it's still setting up bearish, man. I'm still not going for a call. Y'all go for a call. Go for it. Nothing wrong with that. Go for a pump. Go for it. Ride it up real quick. But I'm not going overall for. I'm not doing it. I'm setting it up for. Still going for a short. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm going for a short still. Cause you're gonna go right into resistance. See, there go the 20 MA. There go the 20 MA. So therefore, okay, let's see. Cause I want to add. Let's see. Come on, keep pushing. Cause I want to see what this data about to do. I want to see what this PMI data is about to do. So we got about 5 minutes till that data comes out. So I want to let it keep pumping up. I want to let it keep pumping. Cause you gotta remember, all we doing is rotating back up towards those highs. So I want to let it push up towards that 580-ish level. So we do get a little pump from that PMI data. I'm gonna keep it on watch. I'm still going short though. I'm still go short because I wanted to keep pulling back. I wanted to keep pumping. So that's why I'm trying to find these lows as much as possible. I want my contracts to keep pulling back lower and lower. I want the bad boys as cheap as possible. So I'm going to keep letting it push. I'm going to let it pump because I want to get some low areas as much as possible. Because I want to reduce my risk as much as possible. Because I want to give it a chance. Yep, so like I said, we're going to hit the 50 SMA because I want this bad boy as low as possible because I want to reduce my risk as much as possible. I want to see if we're going to pull up to that 50 SMA. See, can we squeeze up to the 50 SMA, which is going to put us around 580. Like I said, the lower the better for me. I want to keep, the higher, the more my contracts pull back. Let me see. Keep pushing. At the end of the day, transactions next to mortgage, stock market, so I fail to see why he wouldn't try to pump. I know he's gonna pump it. I know it's gonna pump, but the overall it might be. What I'm saying, Tariq, it may be an overall bull trap. It may be a possible bull trap. So that's what I'm saying. Let it pump up. Let it pump up right into resistance. Let it push. I want it to push. Like I said, the lower the better for me. The higher, but the lower my contracts to come back down. So that's what I want. I wanted to pump up. And like I said, we got data coming out in about 3 minutes. I wanted to push up. Like I said, if you ain't on calls, man, ride it on up. Ride it on up from that 576 level, push on up towards that 580. Keep it on watch, though. Keep it on watch. I'm just trying to get these low areas as much as possible. Because I'm trying to see how many I can get in with. Because I want to go in with more than one. But I want to see, can we push up towards that 580 real quick. Because like I said, the more we push up, the more my contracts are going to go down even lower. The lower. So I want to see, how's the one set for tomorrow look? Did we pull back down? Tomorrow, same strike price. I'm going to still let it pull back down. It looks like it could pull back down almost 50 cents on my contract. So we can go down as low as possible. I want that bad boy. I want it low. The lower my risk level is going to be. I'm trying to see what these actual lows is at on this bad boy. What buyers can step in on this contract. So while I was doing that, I'm just keeping this on watch to see what these buyers can step in at. Look like around 45-ish. So I want to keep pushing because it's gonna lower my average even more. Not my average, but my contract. So I'm just keeping this on watch. Keep pulling back. So I want us to push up towards that towards the 50 SMA, towards 580. We got data coming out in about 2 minutes, guys. We got data coming out in about 2 minutes. So I want to see what this PMI data. I'm trying to get in as low as I can without missing it. So I want to see it push like one more time. I want to see, can we push up towards that 50 SMA real quick, which is gonna be around 580. I want to see, can we get that push real quick because I want my contracts to get lower and lower because I want to reduce my risk as much as possible. So I want to keep pushing. Don't fall back. Don't do it. Hold above this key level first. Don't do it. Don't fall. Don't do it. I'm trying to get it, guys. I'm trying to see if we can get one more push. That's why we got a minute until this data comes out. I want to see if it's going to cause an extra push up. We got that PMI data coming out in about 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. So I'm keeping it on watch. Got 30 seconds for this PMI data. Look like we already started to pull right back underneath that 577. I'm trying to get an overextension. Let me see what this data about to do. We got about 15 seconds left, guys. I was trying to get my contracts to pull back as low as possible. All right, let me see. Right now, guys, in about 5 seconds, we got that PMI data coming out. Let's see if it's going to pump it up real quick. Right about now. Let's see. Let's see what this data about to do. Can it give it another push? No. want to see one more push. All right, let me see if it's going to bounce back up. Come on, come on. Yes, hold it, hold it, hold it. Push back up, push back up, push back up, push back up. I want my contracts to get as low as possible. I don't want it to fall back underneath that 577 just yet. I want it to rotate all the way back up to come back down to retest. Like because I want my contracts to get as cheap as possible because I want to reduce my risk. So I wanted away from that 577 level. I wanted to go back towards some resistance. So I'm still keeping it on watch because we still got some more data coming out in 15 minutes. So we got the ISM coming out at 15 minutes. I wanted to get that full rotation back up this way. I want that full rotation back and right into resistance. I want that full rotation back this way, right into resistance. Even if we get a little breakout or whatever, but we know that 582, 60, 65 is gonna be strong resistance. So I wanted to go this way. That's I wanted to rotate and then pull back down towards that 570. Because you gotta think about it. All right, engineer, insider. Y'all know how the pivot point does. Y'all know this. We know how the game to the pivot point. We know the rotations. We know what happens. You leave from it, you return to it, right? The pivot point. So y'all already know the game to that. So what I'm doing is I wanted to rotate away from 577.92. Y'all know the rotation game. When we get away from the pivot point and then return back to the pivot point. Y'all know the game to this. We didn't win over this over and over and over. You leave from it, you return to it. You leave from it, you return to it. So what I want to do is I wanted to leave from it into resistance and then return to it. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to go for a quick rotation up and then come back down. Because the higher it go, it pulls my contracts even lower and lower. It makes my risk, it decreases my risk. I wanted to get away from it real quick. I wanted to rotate up, get rejected, and then come back down to this bad boy. So therefore, I can get some good entries around here versus right here. So let me see if they're gonna try to set up a little. Oh man. Could look like I said, I see a big old inverted cup and handle pattern, man. I see it. I see a big inverted cup and handle pattern. I was trying to get these tops. God dang it, man. I'm keeping on watch though, guys. I'm keeping on watch. Because, you can see a cup right here. You can literally see a cup. We may be trying to work on a handle. This may be the handle right here trying to form. So that may be the handle. So we could get back above that 577.92, man. But damn, look like we're already pulling back underneath. Man, I was trying to catch that 50 SMA right at 580. I mean, we still may hit. We still may. I mean, buyers may try to move back in. I want to see. Can I get back above 577.92 real quick? All right, look like they're trying to get back on top. Okay. Look like we still may be a little fighting chance. Okay. Because normally, especially on a downtrend, you normally get, 2 to 3 green candles, and then you do somewhat of a green or red move. Oh Lord, don't tell me my YouTube is starting to act up, because I see it got an error. Man, this thing be getting on my nerves, bro. I see an error flashing up. Everything good on y'all side, guys? Cause I see an error popping up on my OBS, man. Cause I see it. I see like somewhat of an inverted cup and handle. I see the cup and look like the handle. We falling back down. Come on, man. Come on, man. Damn, I don't want to fall back underneath it already, man. I want to get some. Don't start pulling back already, man. I want some more highs. I want to get right into those resistance. I want to get away from that pivot point. Damn, that's that handle. Look like we're working on a handle right now. I want to see. Oh man. God. I already started pulling, man. There go that damn near that handle, man. Man. Damn, I was anticipating like running up to this area and getting rejected, man. We already started pulling back. Damn. I was aiming for it. I was waiting on it. What time is it gonna close out? What time it close out? What time it close out? All right, let me see. Can buyers? I'm trying to see. I'm gonna stay patient. I'm gonna see can buyers get back on top of that 577.92. I want to see can they hold it and push back up because I want them to go away from this 577.92. I want to go back this way and then come back down to it. Because right now you're playing around it. You're playing around it. Right now you're playing around that pivot point. Because I like to get an extension away from it. So right now it's playing around it. So let's see what's gonna happen. Who's gonna take control of this level right here? The Bears or the Bulls? What we got left? Got about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Because if the Bulls can come in and push back up above 577, create a bull trap, then we can push back up towards the upside, what I'm anticipating to happen real quick. Man, I was trying to wait for this setup. I was waiting on this setup. All right, let me see can buyers retain this level real quick. Let me see if buyers can retain 577.92 real quick. Let me see if they can set up a bull trap, a bad trap, I'm sorry. Hold this key level and push this way because I want those tops. I want those tops to get a good position. A great position. Yeah, big boy, I'm good. All right, sit down. Bye, man. Mwah. Peace. Man, I'm watching this level, man. I'm trying to see can these Bulls create a quick bad trap, hold this key level and push this way real quick. Because I want to get away from that pivot point. Because I don't like buying right on pivot point because it goes back and forth. It kind of gives you a undecided movement, like you don't know which way it wants to truly go. That's why I don't like getting in right here. I like getting away from the pivot point, like something like this, where you can get rejected and pull back to the pivot point, where you have some good areas up here, something like this. See, when you're around this little area, it's like back and forth. So it's kind of like undecided. That's when you have Bears and Bulls fighting. That's why I didn't want to get in right here. That's why I'm waiting. I'm not getting in right here. Because that's the pivot point. You always want to play away from it. It don't matter whether it's on the downside or the upside. Always play away from the pivot point. You want to get from it no matter, again, whether it's on the upside, back down, whether it's on the downside, back up. Because all it's going to do is rotate around that pivot point, back and forth. So that's why I'm waiting to see if those Bulls are going to create somewhat of a bad trap, where they can utilize that 577 and push back up this way. So I want to see real quick if that's what they're doing. All right, cool. Whew. It keeps showing me an error. Look. Man, it's like this OBS, man, I swear. Watch, and I'll show y'all the proof. Look, it keeps popping up with an error on this damn thing, man. Not showing no data. See, this thing's irking my nerves, man. It's like this OBS be this OBS be irking my nerves. I swear it do, man. I'm trying to put it back in my in this box. All right, here we go. See, it's showing no data. Not showing error. Man, it's the OBS doing this, man. It's like every single time it does this stupid crap. Let me hold up, guys. Let me change the setting real quick. Let me see something. I'm hoping it don't crash, man. Hold up, boss. Let me see if I can fix this, man. I might probably change my my bit rate again. Let me try to change my bit rate. Let me see. Let me try to change my bit rate one more time. Let's see. Cause I apologize, man. It's the OBS does this, man. Guys, I try to change the bit rate. It's the OBS doing that because it's still giving me an error. Let me see if it's gonna change. Let me see if it's gonna fix now. Cause I changed the bit rate just now. Let me see if it's gonna work. Still showing a damn error. See why? I'll show y'all. Look, see that? Look, see what I mean? Not receiving. See? It's OBS doing this crap. Man, it do. Like it always does this. I'm trying to put it back in my OBS. Oh, let me put it back in my OBS real quick. Go back in my box, man. This thing on my. There we go. Alright, man, this thing irks my nerves. I swear it do. I changed my bit rate. I'm gonna try to change it. I'm gonna try to go up a little higher. Cause every time I have to keep readjusting my damn bit rates on this damn thing, man. It's ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna try to adjust it one more time, man. And I do apologize. Look, we pull it back. God, see what I'm saying? I can't even focus on my damn trades because it's stupid OBS, man. God dang, man, it's messing all my stuff. I can't even focus. Oh, man. No, we got about 5 minutes, guys, to the next data. It keeps giving me an error on my OBS. I mean, the Twitch is working properly, but it's the stupid YouTube. I didn't chumps. Let me see what it's saying, man, as far as the message, man. Let me see what it's saying, guys. Cause this thing is getting on my nerves, man. This is crazy. See, look. See what I mean? I'm trying to fix it, guys. Man. Guys, I'm trying my hardest to fix this real quick, man. I'm trying. It's the bit rate, man. It just keeps doing this. Cause I want to have to start the stream over. Man. I'm trying to fix it, guys. I'm trying my hardest to fix this stupid thing, man. And look, God damn, man. Cup of the inverted cup of handle pattern right here. There we go. See what I mean? Man. I can't get the damn stream. I can't get the damn OBS to because I don't want to have to turn it off, man. I don't want to have to turn it off because it keeps showing me an error. So there go the pull. There go that cup of the inverted cup of handle pattern. I just told you. Inverted cup of handle. I told y'all, inverted cup and handle pattern. Damn, man. They already started pushing towards the... God, dog, man. I got too much going on. I got the OBS not working. It's just, oh, man. Jeez, I can't win with this shit. I swear, man. It's annoying. It's annoying, guys, man. I'm trying, man. I'm trying to keep everything afloat. This is ridiculous, man. Let me see if we can. Hold on. Sit down. Let me see what I can do, guys. I'm trying to get this trade, man. I know we got some data coming out. We got one more thing of data coming out. And the OBS is still acting up. I still can't get YouTube to... Man, this is ridiculous, man. Trying to focus on my trade and then this stupid stuff, man. I keep changing my bit rate over and over. I'm gonna do it one more time, man. I'm gonna change my bit. If it's gonna change to see if it's gonna give me some act right. It's still showing an error, man. But oh, I swear, man, OBS be just. It's crazy, man. That's crazy. Yeah, man. It keep giving me an error, boss, on my OBS, man. It just keeps showing error. Especially on the YouTube side, I can't. It won't. It keeps. It's like the error keeps popping up. It's ridiculous, man. I can't even get the damn stream to function properly. It's ridiculous, man. God, I'm trying, man. I'm trying to give y'all. Coming out, guys. One more data coming out. Besides crude oil inventories, we got the ISM manufacturer coming out in about 15 seconds, guys. 15 seconds. Man, I was trying to get these lows, man, as much as possible on this contract, man. I was trying to fight with this damn OBS at the same time, but it's freaking ridiculous, man. All right, here we go, guys. New data coming out. Getting a little push back up. Let me see, can I get some lows, man? All right, here we go, pulling back up. Here we go, pushing. Here we go, pushing. Here we go, pushing. Here we go, pushing. All right, can I get some lows? Can I do it real quick? Will it take it? Nah, here we go, freezing again. What is going on? Oh, my God, dude. Everything is... whole computer over, man. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Now look, same thing that happened for me last time. Look at this. Look at this. It froze on me again. This is the second time this didn't happen. And look, it paused. And I'm in, like, I put in for an order. Look at that, it froze. This thing froze on me. Look at this. Same thing again. Man, guys, I might have to start my stream over, man. This is getting ridiculous, man. Man. Look at this. Look at this crap, man. Guys, I think I might have to start everything over, man. This is getting ridiculous, man. Like, all my stuff is just freezing on me. I can't do nothing. Guys, everything crashing on me right now. I don't know what is going on right now. Am I even in? I'm not even in. Wait. I don't even took my order. This is crazy. Wait, no, I am in, right? Guys, I don't even know if I'm in this damn thing. Like, this is crazy. Oh, man, this is ridiculous, man. I'm sorry, guys. This thing is all right. Guys, let me restart this, man. This is driving me nuts, man. This computer's acting up, man. Everything is freezing on me. I can't even focus on this damn trade right now. Man, this is crazy. I mean, I'm up in profit right now, but this thing is moving. I mean, I can't even focus on my trade right now. I'm in a trade. Let me see what I can do, guys. Let me see what I can do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart. I'm going to restart the computer, man. But, I mean, like I said, I can't even trade properly right now. Everything is freezing on me. I can't even properly trade right now. This is ridiculous. Man, this is messing up my trades. I can't even. This is crazy. Let me try to see if I can work